Ultion pick from Nsuper. Medium light tension, just go through the pins, little taps, see how they feel. You get a set here and there. And then that's gone, but we're going to have to take a bit of pressure off that third one stuck up. Fingers crossed. There you go. Okay, so they leave the end on when you buy it, but you can take it off, and then you can get the pick out once you've picked it. This is a short 30-30. Then you can spin it with a plugged spinner if you need to. Okay. So you stick the pin up, let's get it right in. Medium to light tension again, just go through the pins, light taps, wait for a set or two, and once you feel them, you will start feeling it go. And there she goes. It's a cracking little tool, but you've got to practice.